Right now we're over here at PetSmart. We're looking for collars for Rudy. We already got a leash, but for some reason his collar fell off. I don't know. It was old, so now we're looking for a new one. Our old one was a Phoenix Suns collar, but it doesn't look like they have a Phoenix Suns one here. So we're gonna have to get something different. We got a little chain.
Like this.
Let's see what we got. Oh, this one's pretty cool.
What?
K9. Alright, so we ended up just getting just a black collar. And we got
on both sides, on both
we got a new
sides.
tab for Rudy too, so we're gonna put Rudy on one side and then on the other side we'll have the address and yeah. So we're gonna get started on this machine right now. Alright, so let's go. It says it. Okay, put T 6805. This is your activation code. Yes. Alright, on the front we're gonna have his name, right?
Continue?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that one.
Whatever, man. This is all you. Whatever you like better. Alright, in the back, you're gonna put the address. Alright. On the address, we're gonna put 1, 2. Talking about Rudy. Got the address and the phone number on the back, y'all. Yeah, that's it. It's a done deal. Alright, here we go. Ruben's gonna put the collar on Rudy now. You're gonna want to get it a little tighter than that. A lot tighter than that.
Rudy, sit. Stay.
Rudy, sit. Yeah, tighten it up more, Ruben. Remember, there's only supposed to be like 4 fingers or something that you can stick in there, or a couple fingers. I forgot the rule, but not too loose. Got it on? Let me see, Rudy. And he doesn't want you messing with him again. Rudy, come over here, boy. Rudy! Rudy! Come here!
No!
Ruben, let him go, man.
I know how to put the strap under.
What's up, boy? What's up? What's up? Sit. Sit.
Sit. Rudy, sit. Stay.
Bam, there you go. Already got hooked up with a new collar, man. Now he's styling again. That's what's up. My boys right there. See if I can show y'all a little trick. A little treat. Rudy, sit, Rudy. Okay. I'm gonna put it on your nose. It's gonna be patient. Rudy's pretty patient. He waits. He usually starts drooling. Wait for it, Rudy. Good patience. We have to see. There he goes. He's starting to drool. Alright, Rudy, you're a good boy, okay? We're gonna get it. Get it now. Good boy. That's a good one. Good boy, Rudy. Rudy got a new collar, a new tag. Of course, it's gold. Rudy Frisco. Good boy. All right, who's who? Who's Batman?
Me. He's Sonic.
Devin's Batman. Ruben's Sonic.
No! Please!
All right, next shot wins. Where's the D? The pass and steal. He stole the ball. All right, next point wins. 14 seconds left. Oh!
No!
Really? Ruben, you had time. You gotta take it in. Get
Okay,
it
you want me
open.
to dunk it? Okay.
No, it's too late because he has the ball and last point wins. So he's probably just gonna pop it up on you.
I'll make it a tie.
Oh, you got 8 seconds. Last one.
I'll make it a tie.
Oh, shoot a 3.
No!
Really, Ruben? That was horrible.
I didn't because I had it and I tried to shoot it, but then I went like that instead.
Excuses.
No.
Game over. See, look what he does. He waits for you to come. Oh, block. Oh my gosh, how many seconds is left? You
No,
got point
no,
one.
there's more.
Shoot it, shoot it. Shoot it. Ah, Ruben.
I couldn't.
Dude.
I had to pass it.
Ah. Bang.
Dog, the dog. Yeah.
Sheesh. There you have it.
Because Bart.
I just came back right now. I was losing 4-0. Came
Oh,
back
yeah.
on Devin.
Let's
That one
play-
right
no,
there.
Let's play again and watch.
Came back, won 8-6.
Go. He sucks so bad, Devin.
I passed it to Dylan. Dylan.
Look at this, Dad. Look at this.
What? Nice. Alright, come over here and spray down the engine. Look how dirty it is in there. We also got this Super Tech bug remover with rain repeller. Just some washer fluid, windshield washer fluid. We're gonna put it in right now. Here you go, Ruben.
Where I'll put it in there.
We're gonna put it in right here. Pick it up. Can you grab that? Alright. It's this thing right here. It says washer only. So we're gonna open that up. I'm gonna pour it straight on down. Be careful. You're gonna drip some, so it's okay. Good job. one. Just finish it off.
What?
Well, Reuben, what? Okay, stop. Come on, figure it out. There you go. Top it off, just put it all in there. Good job. Bam. There you go. Now we got some washer fluid. I'm only putting that in because the indicator was on in the car. So, but all my other fluids are good. On point. He's gonna try to hold his breath. All the way to the end. And he did it. Good job, man. Good job. We out in the sun, man. We baking again. He's in the pool. He's staying cool. He's over in the shade area. But, we got the palm
Watch
trees
this.
right here.
Hey, take a video of this.
What's up? Got it. Confession of the day. Let me make a confession right now, man. I have never watched. I've never watched the movie Goonies. I've never watched the Goonies. And everybody keeps on, like, whenever somebody mentions, like, talks about the movie, and they're like, oh yeah, you remember that part in the Goonies and blah blah blah. And then I'm like, oh yeah. I go along with it, but I've never seen the actual movie, the Goonies. Have you seen the movie?
Yes.
You've seen the movie?
Yes.
Don't play. You
I'm
really?
serious.
That's my confession of the day. I've never seen it. He's getting his swim on. Oh, snaps. He dived in and he swam to the end. Good job. The whole way, underwater. Man, he's getting better at this. There you have the Tooth Fairy from Gentle Dental. Oh, got the moves.
Look, this brown skin is a weapon, so they aiming at your head top. Your braids and dreadlocks, Martin dreams get X'd out, but somehow we remain supreme, like we in that red box. Open-minded, but I put your ass right in that headlock. This that Bruce Leroy flow in Detroit blue. T Grizzly up next, this feel like the Detroit Zoo. Understand my stars as a line, I'm forever on course. I'm all charged up and God is my source.